Shechtman International Leadership Award. This is our highest award named under Dennis Shechtman. We don't give this easily. Sometimes we don't give it at all if we don't have the right candidate. So today we must have really a good candidate to give this award. That's why we give it at the end. Like in Hollywood, the winner, it is declared the most important one, but everybody's important. But so who is the winner of this? For leadership through courage, conviction, persistence, willingness to break with taboos and stereotypes in pioneering new ways of thinking that shape the future for global sustainable development in economic, environment and social point of view. Who is the winner? Who is the guy that deserves this? Because last year I think we didn't give it. Subra Suresh. Yeah, I know. Congratulations, congratulations. Dan Shechtman, please on stage. This is a leader, a real leader. His presentations are, you know, always so attractive. Even when they are on video. In 2019, he couldn't come and send a video. It was magnificent. So the way of presenting, the way of, you know, he has been, you name it, he has been, the experience is so wide. He has been for 5 years, director of National Science Foundation in the United States, still the biggest founding of basic research in the world. And then has been numerous dean, several universities recently. Now he is president of Nanyang University in Singapore, and then now he's passing to a new position, which is secret. I don't know, basically. He didn't tell me. But we have a real leader, and that's the dedication. And this is a Shechtman International Leadership Award.
Thank you, Florian. Thank you for organizing this event and for inviting me. It's a great pleasure. And also to meet a number of friends and colleagues here, some of whom I'm meeting here after many years. It's also a pleasure to receive this award named after Danny Shechtman, because Danny and I know each other from the field, so it's a great honor to be with you. Thank you.
So there's the award. And Danny can give it to you. That's the award, but you can give.